Your first step is to find the app iMovie. Your next step is to tap the plus sign to create a new project. Next, click Movie. On this page, you have options. You can either click your photos or videos, or you can just click Create Movie. I just clicked Create Movie. On this page, you can click the plus sign in the top right corner. Now, you can either click Moments, Video, Photos, Albums, or File. Now you can add in any of your photos or videos. Once you've added in one of your photos or videos, click Audio. Now, tap Sound Effects. Now, you have all these sound effects to pick from. You can swipe down for more. Once you tap one of your sound effects, it will pop up there. Now, once you press play, it will play your photo or video.